Finally, I'm gonna be revealing your deepest, darkest secret and ruining my mental health for the second time. Hey guys, it's me Shivangi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys requested for a part 2, so I am doing this stupid video again where I'll be revealing, reading and reacting to your deepest, darkest secret, basically your stupid secrets, for the second time. I'm doing this video after a long time, I guess, and today I was low-key feeling savage, so I thought, you know what, let's just film this video because your girl likes to keep it pretty savage. God, that was so good. Anyways, so time to get traumatized, babies. Also, there's a thing that I really want, but I'm too scared to ask for it.
Why don't you give it a try? What is it you really want? Sing about that.
Okay, cool. I can do it. Oh, I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that one day I can get a silver play button. Proop, yay. That's all I really want, ladies. Ladies, time to start the video. Okay, काफी cringe हो गया. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so here is the first one. You do know that you are just another pretentious bitch, right? You pretend to be all sweet and well-wishing on social media, but in reality you are just another basic bitch. I said, time to get traumatized, babies. Oh, dude. I'm a Cancerian, which makes me the kindest of all, and if I was mean to you or made you feel like I was a bitch, it would have had happened because you didn't deserve my kindness, which is okay because not everybody deserves the best of me. But as I focus on the good part and I always focus on the positive side, I highly appreciate you for stalking me all over social media and engaging with my content in any way possible and watching my ads, which reminds me of my today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Mama Earth.
I'm so proud of myself.
So clear and healthy skin is something we all secretly want, but with all these pollution things going on, it's really hard. So recently I've been using Mama Earth Charcoal Face Wash that has activated charcoal and coffee in it. It helps in oil control and in unclogging pores and helps in pollution protection. I am in love with the fragrance and I've already added them in my morning and my night skincare routine. I feel a lot more confident when my skin is doing great, so I always make sure to make an effort for my skin. Then I use Mama Earth C3 face mask, which has charcoal, coffee and clay in it. Coffee does wonders to your skin, and overall this face mask helps you to tighten and brighten your skin, which gives you a glowing skin, and it also helps in reducing acne and pimples, which gives you a healthier skin. So overall you are getting healthy and glowing skin. It also comes with this spatula thing so that you can take it out and put it on your face. Both men and women of all skin type can use it. Mama Earth is an Indian brand and all the products Mama Earth produces are vegan and cruelty free. They're also plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use, and they also have plant goodness initiative, which means every time you buy from them, Mama Earth will link your order on a website to a tree that they plant, and exact geolocation and the species of the tree will be sent to you. That means indirectly you are planting a tree and you are saving the mother nature. And by 2025 Mama Earth is aiming to plant 1 million trees, which is such a kind and cool act. These products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Mama Earth official website and Mama Earth app. They also have an app now and there are lots of perks of using the app. And you can use my code SHIP2021 to get 20% discount on Mama Earth official website. So if you're someone who is looking for great skincare products, I highly recommend these.
Thanks to Mama Earth for sponsoring today's video.
My friend went on a trip on a ship. He is scared of water, so I suggested him to watch Titanic.
गुटखा खाते हो? हाँ, तो?
Later I got a call from his friend that he was facing some serious birthing problem.
What?
He didn't die luckily. What do you mean by birthing problem? Like he was giving birth to someone?
कौन है ये लोग?
But whatever, I think she messed up at the typing part. But anyways, don't tell me that he is still friends with you because you are a dangerous woman. Like, something about you makes me feel like
a dangerous woman.
I'm not good at singing, but today I'm feeling so much savage.
Savage! I'm a savage! Oh!
I went in a shopping mall and saw cute, but I didn't have money, so I took it in the trial, wore it and stole it. What? Like what? I'm liking the fact that how you have mentioned that angel emoji doing literally something devil. I'm getting some Ariana Grande vibe from here. Like I see it, I like it, I want it, I get it.
I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
But in your case, it's like I wore it, I stole it. I wore it, I stole it. But anyways, girl, it's embarrassing. Like shoplifting is a crime. Don't do it. It would be so embarrassing if you would ever get caught in future. So just don't do it.
Is harmful, dangerous, gross, disgusting.
I'm officially dating my cousin. That's my deepest secret. I saw it coming. Like there is a huge, deep, darkest.
Me again realizing that why everybody has to date their cousins.
There is a deep connection between this stupid video and cousins for some reason. A lizard fell in the tea bowl, but the guests were in a hurry. Don't tell me, oh my god. The guests were in a hurry, so I offered them the same tea. They're alive, don't worry. That's so freaking gross. Like, I mean, how could you be so mean to someone? And why would you do that? Like, I'm not going to drink any tea or coffee whenever I'm at someone else's house. Like, no. Used to write scary things on the school washroom wall with that blood. With that blood? Oh my god. People were really scared. Like this is the funny. I think that
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
I think that this is the funniest secret this far. But I cannot imagine myself using a washroom in which like there are scary words or haunted words written
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे.
on the wall and that with blood. Oh man, I can't. I just can't. And how you did that? Like I don't want to go in deep, but I'm 12 years old and nobody here knows about BTS. So I've told my friends that I'm dating I'm dating Jungkook, who is a guy I met online on Facebook. They all believe me. What? And you're 12 years old? Girl, stop it right now, because I'm telling you, you'll be super embarrassed. Like,
are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
यार तुम लोग इतने बड़े-बड़े झूठ बोल कैसे लेते हो? Like, जंगकुक कोई डेट कर लेंगे.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया?
Wow. I have the most toxic friends ever. I don't like them at all. They all bully me intentionally or unintentionally. I don't know, but it hurts a lot. You're not alone. I have been there as well, but I literally cut all of them in one go. I mean, if you're friends with someone who is always like, gosh, you're so stupid, you're so stupid, you're so stupid, eventually you will feel that you are stupid because your subconscious will believe that you are stupid and you will become a stupid. I mean, it's just science. So I saw my girlfriend cheating on me with V poster. Dude, if her bias is V,
She's just not
I wore a skirt when I was small. You know what? It's so cool. Like, I feel like you must be Harry Styles fan. I just want to say that a piece of clothing can't define your fashion, style and gender. It's just all stereotype. जब दिख नहीं रहा मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ.
नहीं.
Okay. Used to throw the food in my childhood when I don't like it. Have done it, been there, and I remember throwing medicines and even money for real, like actually for real. Oh my god, story time. Okay, so I remember that whenever my grandfather used to come from any trip or something, I used to go there and I used to ask him for money, and for some reason, Diwali bhi khatam nahi hui, and for some reason I was so obsessed with 100 rupees note. I used to ask him to give me 100 rupees note. I remember one fine day he came and he didn't have the change, so he gave me like 20 rupees note, and I cried for straight 3-4 freaking hours. And I also remember that I tore that note just because it was 20 rupees note, not 100. So that's another thing, that my mother used to always take all the money that I had, and whenever I told her about the money, I mean, like, childhood was fun, it was weird, but I don't know, for some reason I was so obsessed with 100 rupees note. Jenny is my wife.
Okay, then Shivangi is my girlfriend.
You know what? Jin is my husband. I remember this one. This secret I got last time as well. You all sending me the same secrets just to get featured.
Me realizing that I just featured the same secret again.
I have a female crush on you. Oh my god, thank you so much. You just made my day. Day. You made my day.
सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
I've dated my best friend and it didn't work out. We broke up. Good for you. But we are still best friends. Tell me how to be that chill. Like, I could never imagine myself getting back together all chill. LOL ho gaya ye to. Also, why am I like, bringing up all these lyrics from Ariana Grande and Taylor Swift? Like, we are never ever. Anyways, next. I'm married to In Hypen Sung Hoon. Secretly, he is 6 years older than me. I'm seeing a lot of you guys are dating K-pop idols. Like, what's wrong with you guys? You guys need therapy. Or you know what? I should also start doing it. And that way my subconscious will believe that I am dating a K-pop idol and the universe will make it all happen. Just science, never mind. Next! I love your videos. Thank you so much. And I'm just liking the fact how you wrote love, like in WUV way, because that's how I write love on my stories. This made my day. This
सुपारी निकाल के बात.
made my day.
समझ नहीं आता कि
मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
Because I'm a baby. Subscribe to this baby.
I'm so thankful.
Anyways, that's it for today's video, and we'll just pretend that we never read all of these because it's not good for our mental health. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram so that you never miss out on videos like these. Please don't ask for a part 3. Everything was just for entertainment purpose. I hope that I didn't offend anyone here. दिवाली खत्म हो गई है. यार दिवाली खत्म हो गई है, मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ यार. एंड फॉर सम रीजन दिवाली भी खत्म नहीं हुई. मेक थिंग्स दिवाली खत्म हो गई है. हैप्पी दिवाली बिलेटेड वाली. ओह माय गॉड, हैप्पी दिवाली बिलेटेड वाली. सैवेज, मैंने बोला ना, मैं सैवेज फील कर रही हूँ. एंड या दैट्स इट. आई विल सी यू गाइज इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अंटिल देन, हाई टाइट, गुड वाइब्स. बाय गाइज. सब्सक्राइब.